И все вроде прилета, понял.
In the morning, Belgorod got a response from Ukraine after the missile attacks in the capital.
И все вроде прилета, понял.
Да, это школа. Нет, это не школа.
Это школа, детский сад.
Это ниже, да.
Pokrovsk direction is one of the hardest battlefields for Ukraine now. Russians have concentrated their main forces there, but Ukrainians are giving them a hell of a battle and inflicting Russians huge losses. Here, SBU drones are wreaking havoc among Russian forces. Military expert and director of the information and consulting company Defense Express, Serhiy Zgurets, stated that the enemy's advance towards Pokrovsk could take from 1 to 2 months. At the current stage of the war, where a third of the combat encounters are concentrated in the Pokrovsk direction, the Russian army is at the peak of its capabilities. The expert noted that the Pokrovsk direction remains the most challenging on the front. The dynamics of combat action show 180 to 200 engagements per day, a level not seen in a long time. Russian forces have shifted their focus southwards to the area around the city of Seladov, where the number of clashes has increased, but their progress in that area is not significant. Zgurets emphasized that holding Seladov is critically important for the Ukrainian armed forces. The Russians have found another mine, disguised as a piece of wood. They say it kills instantly. A Russian who came with a weapon on foreign soil wonders why these monsters come up with such things.
Так, всем привет. Ушел в гости на 15-ю кнопочку, 40-й, к мужикам. Вот они, короче, разминировали недавно хуйню такую. Вот они, пидоры эти, фашисты, что делают, короче, скидывают вот такую канитель. Вот, видите? Ну, по серому будешь идти, да и по дню даже пнешь, да пнешь, деревяшка, да деревяшка. Вот тут, короче, втокнут был деревянный чипок. Ну, пластид там, короче, все дела, взрыватель. И вот такая вот канитель, блядь. Обшивают, короче, клеют настоящей корой от дерева. Вот она, кора. Ну и вот такая вот залупа. Если на нее наступишь, то человек сразу, блядь, становится 200. Вот так эти изверги всякую хуйню придумывают. Ну, блядь, хули, маньяки ебаные, хули говорить, вот, бесы, сука. Больше их никак не назовешь. Но так-то уж вот, будьте аккуратны. Такая канитель. Очень опасная.
Video of brimstone missile and night bomber UAV strikes by Ukrainian special forces, possibly in Kursk Oblast. Russian military channels write that the Russian army has received new KABs with an increased strike range 78 to 85 kilometers. They also write that tests of the Russian FAB 3000 M54 bombs are being completed, which will make it possible to drop them from long distances. A whale carcass washed up on the shores of Norway, on which the Russian GRU installed action cameras. It was used for espionage and special operations, writes the German Bild. Russians weren't satisfied by beheading a 14-year-old girl yesterday, or by the 44 victims today in Kharkiv. Now they've just sent ballistic missiles into an orphanage in Sumy. Russian pig Yulia Putintseva at the U.S. Open. She lives comfortably in Boca Raton, Florida, and pretends to be from Kazakhstan, despite having never lived there.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.